Hello guys, today I'll show you how to dispersion effect in Photoshop CC. Let's start. First drag your photo in Photoshop CC. Now copy the layer by pressing Ctrl Z. Now we need to remove background of layer 1. Select quick selection tool, select all image. Yeah, it's selected. Now press Ctrl Shift I. Now press Ctrl Z. Now remove layer on object by stump tool. Change brush size. Yes, done. Now copy this layer 2 again by pressing Ctrl Z. Now rename both layer 1, 2. Now select layer 2 and go to filter, liquify. Click forward warp tool. Now press OK. Now press and hold the Alt key and click mask tool. Now go to layer 1 and click on mask tool without hold the Alt key. Now go to brush, select any brush shape. Make sure that black is on. Now click on layer 2. Now go to adjustment tool and gradient. Select any color and opacity, decrease the opacity. Okay, done. Thank you.